Alright, and today I'm just going to make a big chunky Christmassy tassel. I'm going to use various stuff. I've got, this is just material that I torn in pieces and something that I've cut. This I also tore. This is just pieces of old curtains. I'm going to make a big chunky tassel, so I'm going to use the reds and the greens, and then I will, I think I'm going to use this to make a big, long, chunky tassel. But for now, I'm just going to quickly give my cat some attention, and then I will be back. So I'm just going to randomly mix and match these 3 colors, and maybe put in a little bit of white, I'm not sure. So all I'm going to do is, I've got this, you can decide how big your tassel want. If you want it smaller, you can use something smaller. You can use a piece of cardboard that you can cut to the length that you want, and you can just take it around that. Okay, I think I'm just gonna stop for now. I will come back later because this one wants to play now and she's not gonna stop. Okay, so now we can continue. So I'm gonna take my green. I'm gonna start with this. You just wind it up in the middle like this. Just put this that side. I'm just gonna go for a few, and then I will start with the red, I think. Otherwise I must make it the green one with a little bit of red in between. So I'm just going to cut it off for now and just take the red. There you go. And I want to put in a little bit of the gold as well. Then I'm just going to go with the green again. So you can do as much as you like, but I think for now I'm going to stop. I wanted to put in this as well and I forgot. But it's okay. Now you can start taking it off. Just keep your hands in there. Now you can take it off, and then you can just take another piece and you can just tie it down there. Now this is your piece that you're going to use to hang your tassel from. So now you can just open your tassel. And you can just cut it through, and then just make sure you've got everything. If you maybe missed one, now you can see it's a fat, bulky tassel. Now you can just take your fingers and comb it a little bit. Now there's 2 things that you can do. You can either put another one there, or you can leave it as this and you can hang something nice from it, but I think I'm going to go for this one. So I'm just going to take another piece and I'm just going to tie it down there. You can make a double knot again. And then you can just take your scissor and maybe cut these more to the same length. And now you can start to bling it up a little bit. So you can maybe put something on top there. Or you can just straight hang it from this that you cannot here. So now I'm just going to hang a few things on here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I will see. I'm just going to put this silver ring around there. And then I'm just going to take a thin piece of fishing line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that two sides in there that it makes a loop. And then I'm going to take my ribbon, just put it through the loop and just pull it through the bead. Just want to put in a few beads, so I'm just going to show you again. I take my fishing line, put the one side through the bead and the other piece as well, that it makes a loop. Then I put it over I put my ribbon through the loop, hold it on from both sides, just hold it there and just take the bead over there. And then you can decide where you want the bead. You can put it up high, you can put it up low. You don't have to worry, it's not going to slip off easily. So I'm just going to put a few beads in. It's like this one is on a mission today. Please. Okay, let me just try and salvage this. It's a rescue this, and she's getting so cute. Okay, now I'm just going to wrap this around here. I'm just going to pop in a little bit of glue there. The day is really I'm so scared she's getting burnt with the glue gun. Okay, she doesn't know how to play soft. She's a rescue, and I don't think they played with her when she was little. We got her when she was about 4 years old, and she's such a lovely, beautiful cat. But yeah, she hasn't got an idea what she's doing with her nails and her teeth. Okay, I glued the end as well. And there's my tassel. I hope you can see all the nice beads I've put in it, and it will look great on a tree, or maybe on something hanging from the door, or you can put it on a present. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time. Take care.